Good day, rehabbers. This is Jameen Willis with the Willis Team LV. Got another property tour for you. This is 4791 Fuentes Way, 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, 1,568 square feet. This property is in 89121 zip code. This is actually a manufactured house. This is the master bedroom here. Has a walk-in closet, plenty of space there in the master bedroom closet. You have an adjoining bath there, tub shower combination. This property is well maintained. It just needs to be updated. Not too many things wrong here, just not as updated as some of the other properties in the area. This would be a great investment opportunity. It would make a good rental property or a good flip. So that first room right there was the living room there. There was tons of things in here that were being moved out. So this is the dining area. It has a little ceiling fan there. There is mostly carpet in here. The kitchen is well maintained, but it just needs to be updated. So it has the original cabinets, original countertops, original appliances. They all are there and they're in pretty good shape. But like I said before, a lot of these properties have granite countertops, new cabinets, updated appliances. The laundry room is right to the left of the kitchen there. That's where all your utilities are. So you have the washer dryer there, water heater, furnace to the left, and then there's a back door leading to the outside there. The water heater is right there in the utility closet. So it's pretty spacious, almost 1,600 square feet. So this is the main hallway of the property. There's a linen closet right there to the left. Shelving there. And then right there you have a full hall bath. Another tub shower combination there. There's like 2 more closets in that hallway. So once you go past this main hallway, there's a family room right there. So you have ceiling fan, tons of light that can come in there, and then they have the remaining 2 bedrooms. So this is the middle bedroom, nice sized bedroom there. You have a nice sized closet as soon as you walk in to the left. It's not a walk-in, but it's a nice sized closet. That's just a little wardrobe it's not attached. So the third bedroom is this back bedroom right here. Just turn on the light so you can see it'll shed a little light into the subject. So this is the third bedroom. This one has a ceiling fan also. Closet right there. So this property was built in 1992. So it has all the original stuff from 1992. So well maintained home, but it needs to be updated. This will make a great investment. Will make a great rental property. We actually have some rental property like 1 street over. So that's the master bedroom there. I'm gonna take you outside through the laundry room so you can see the lot size. Take a quick spin around outside also. So all of these items are in the process of being cleared out, but you can see it's a really spacious property. So this whole lot is fenced in right there. As soon as we walk out of this door here, you have a carport, an oversized carport. You can probably get like 2, maybe 3 cars underneath the carport area. There's 2 gas lines. There's one right there, and there's one towards the back of the lot too. So you can come in from here. You can open this little area off, or you can come in from the other side where the driveway is. Quick view of the neighborhood. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood in sunny Las Vegas. Oh, also on here you have the shades on the windows that helps being in Las Vegas with the sun, especially in the summer. When the sun moves, it can let in a lot of heat through the window, so having the shades provides a lot of energy efficiency. So it looked like there was an additional shed there at one time, but there's actually 2 sheds. That's the smaller shed right there in the middle, and then the larger shed is to the left of that one. Not much to do on the outside as far as like landscaping or anything like that. I was thinking that it would be pretty nice if you would put a fire pit coming up here on the left. You could put a nice little fire pit right there, right in the middle of the yard, right there on the side. And then you have a nice tree with landscaping right there.